What if I told you that you can create this kind of high quality videos for 100% free? Well, it's not a trick. And in today's video, I want to show you exactly how you can achieve this kind of results without spending a dime. But before we get started, as usual, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also remember to like and share this video so that more people would be able to find it. Let's get right into it. The tool I'm talking about is Haiper AI, which was recently launched in the beginning of March by a team of DeepMind alumni, and it is one of the newest tools that we have in the video generation space. Now, you can generate your videos from either a text, from an image, or even from Sketch. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step. So all you need to do is just hit try for free, and we are just going to get into the interface. So the first thing you're going to do is turn on the dark mode. I feel like the interface looks so much better in dark mode. So you can create your video from a text, and it can either be SD or HD. And you can also choose to animate your image. You also have an option to repaint a video that you have. And also you can see they have another feature that's coming soon where you'll be able to expand the length of your video. But as of now, that is the end of March, that feature is still not there. And as you can see up there, Haiper AI is still in beta. And what that basically means is that you can actually access it for free for now. We don't know how long this is going to be for free, so I suggest you take advantage of this for as long as you can. So now down here, you can input your prompt, and you can also choose whether your creations are public or not. If they are public, they'll be available in the explore page. If you do not want your images if you do not want your videos public, then you just have to turn that off. Then you also have an option to choose an SD or HD, that is either 2 seconds for HD or 4 seconds for SD. And you also have an option to actually generate a video from a seed. So basically what that means is that you'll be able to generate a series of video from one parent video, if I may say. Now, the next thing that you're going to do, you're just going to input a prompt, and you're going to start generating our images, and you're going to see how these are going to actually turn out. As they're generating, you're just going to explore what other creators have made. So you can just scroll down on the explore page, and you can just go through all the videos that are available. And if you happen to meet a video that you like, you can just click on it, and you'll be able to actually see the prompt that was used to create the video. And you also have an option to actually copy the seed and generate your videos from that. So now we're just going back to our video. As you can see, here is our first video. Now that actually looks really good. As you can see, the reflections in the water, the movement of the water, like everything looks so real. Like this is a really high quality video. Now we are going to input a different prompt, and we are going to choose one of the video styles up there. We're going to choose steampunk. So let's see how this one turns out. And here is our video. This is just so good. Just look at the quality of the video. Like this is absolutely amazing. So now what I want to do is that I'm going to copy the exact prompt that I used, and I'm going to use a different style for the same video, but I'm just going to choose a different kind of video style. Yeah. So let's just do that, and you're just going to hit create. Instead of steampunk, we're going to go with Disney Pixar style. So let's see how that one turns out to be. And as you can see, this is amazing. Like the quality of the video is just so good. Now that is for the HD. So let's try the same exact prompt with HD, which gives us exactly 4 seconds. So let's see how that one will turn out. Now the colors in HD may feel actually a bit more vivid, but let's just look at this, and you can see that the quality is actually just as good. Now going back, you're going to choose the option to animate an image, and you're just going to hit upload. In case you do not have your image yet, you can actually just choose to go and generate an image. You can go over to a tool like Leonardo AI, go over to image generation, just input your prompt and hit generate, and you'll be able to get the image that you need to go on and animate. So here we already have our image, so we're just going to upload it now, and you're just going to Yeah, now our image has uploaded. So now all you need to do is hit create. Now remember, you can input a prompt to guide the AI on how to animate your project, and if not, you can just leave it blank. In my case, I got 0 movement when I tried without a prompt, but as you can see, when I input at least a prompt to describe a bit of how I want the movement to be, I got a bit of this movement, which is better than the still image that, the still video kind of thing that I got. So now let's just generate another video. Let's see how this one turns out. And here we have our character. So it looks like she's moving backwards. I don't know what's happening here. But as you can see, at least there is no distortion in her features. Now we're going to try something else. We're going to go over to Sora and we're going to copy one of their prompts. And now we are going to use the same prompt in Haiper AI. So we're just going to paste this prompt and you're going to generate a video using the same exact prompt without any kind of modification. And let's see, here's the video that we get. So, well, here's our video. I like the movement in the water and everything. The only weird thing is the life jacket that seems, maybe it's a new design of a life jacket anyway. So there you have it, my people. Creating videos has never been this easy. So get out there, get creative, and have fun with it. I hope you learned something new, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.